Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing good. Today we are taking a look at Birchbox Man for September 2018. With that being said, let's get into it. Now for this month, I did not get the email to pick the one of the three lifestyle items, so they ended up just sending me this hammock. And of course, here is the box. And here we go. Here is the card with everything in this month's box. First thing out of the box is a sample of cologne by the company Rake and Bob. Next thing out of the box is this CW Beggs and Sons moisturizer. Next thing out of the box is this Bala body powder for men. Next thing out of the box is this Olivine men shaving cream. And last but not least is this Melon and Guts grapefruit face cleanser. And there you have Birchbox Man for September 2018.